He came in and I saw him. He came up to me and said, "Give me a hug, man."
Nah, we're good.
You're gonna take me to jail.
Shit, you give me a ride.
I did say I would give you a ride.
Jail though, right? That's fucked up.
I didn't say I would give you a ride. I just said I'll give you a ride, man. 19.
I should have played fair. I should have cheated. It's like you're cheating.
I'm not cheating, man. I never cheated.
Heart.
Put your legs in the car for me.
Or whatever.
Oh, no problem. Oh, where was he at?
GMC. He came in and I saw him. He was right there by Polaris, and he was acting real funny. I kind of watched him a little bit, and he came up to me and said, "Give me a hug, man." I'm like, "No, I can't hug you." So at least just give me a fist bump. I was like, "All right." And he kind of walked on down. He said, "I'm going to Aeropostale." I didn't smell the alcohol, and then they said it was in Aeropostale. They said that he told the people in there that he was drunk. And we found him in GNC, and that's when we stopped him.
No, man, you're not a man at all. You're not. You're not a fucking man. You promised me you'd give me a ride. You know, my friend Joseph told me not to let go.
Did I get a witness statement from them?
I always play
so.
fair. And it backfires on me just because I play fair. An asshole.
180 on 2, going by name, date of birth.
Asshole.
Lexington Valley. William Powell Tower, Light Elevator. Enemy Lexington Valley. 813.
You need a picture of him, right?
Yeah. 145.
Last name Younger. First name Logan. Logan Younger. 9/12 of 96.
Logan Younger, Y-U-N-E-R, 91296.
You get a street address?
Hold on. Logan, how you spell your last name, man?
I don't know.
Holy crap.
You're not playing fair. You're lying.
Come here, look at this.
You lied to me. You promised me you'd give me a ride home.
I am going to give you a ride home.
Give me a ride to jail. You
Come here.
twisted your shit on me. That's fucked up.
I put him in the bag with his hands on his back.
I know. I think you do it.
I'm smart.
You are?
I am.
Go ahead and hop on for me real fast, Logan.
When my dad was a vet, and he used to train me.
Logan, you can get out the car, or I'm going to take you out the car. Which one you want to do?
I'll get out of the car if you give me your hand off my arm.
Logan, get out the car.
Hey, let go of me. I'll get out.
You're being an asshole.
No, I'm not. You're not listening.
I just said I'd get out. You get your hands off my arm. You're treating me bad. You're all sociopaths. Cops nowadays are bad people. All of y'all.
I don't even know how the hell he did that.
No other?
Yep.
Cool.
Man.
Alright. Do it. I'll get back out.
Watch me. That'd be cool, man. I'd like to see it.
I did it.
Bad job.
I can't have you up here intoxicated.
I ain't heard anybody intoxicated.
You're in intoxicated.
You know how stupid that is? Hold up. You know how stupid that is? I pay $500.
I thought you said 300.
I do. $500 a month. $300 almost every week. I'm going to cover my face up.
Well, no, you're going to lift your head up so they can get a picture of you.
You're a bad guy. You lied to me. I play by your rules. You going to choke me?
He's not choking you. He's not choking you.
You know, if I killed you, you know how fucked up that would be. How bad would that be? It'd be even. Can y'all kill someone whose son was a vet?
I'm pretty sure your dad would be a little disappointed in you right now.
I'm disappointed in you.
Go ahead.
Liar.
Go ahead, sit down. How you spell your last name, Logan?
I don't know how my last name.
Alright, that's cool. We'll go to section 2. Alright, nah, not yet. I'm about to call him. When I figure out everything about him, I'll give y'all a call back, and I'll come up here, and we can do all that.
Yeah. Alright, thanks.
Thank y'all.
You asshole. You lied to me. You lied to me. I thought you might have played fair, but you fucking lied to me.
180
You
discount.
know what? Fuck you.
Good.
A friend Justin told me y'all were assholes.
Discretion 145. I'll be 15 one-time adult mail out the county.
He told me all y'all cops are fucked up, and y'all are. Y'all abuse y'all traffic authority because you're assholes. All of you. He said that y'all kill people because they mention the Constitution. You know that?
Who told you that?
My friend Joseph.
Okay.
He told me lots of shit.
Good.
You know that? Let me ask you something, man.
What's up?
You're such a good guy. You don't play by the rules.
What's up?
Tell me. You know what's fucked up?
What's that?
How this country went. Right?
What you
What
mean,
y'all
man?
do? What happened?
What are you talking about?
You broke your promise.
I didn't. I'm giving you a ride, ain't I?
Give me a ride to jail.
Hey,
Fucked up.
I just said I'll give you a ride, man.
You said you give me a ride.
Good.
You lied.
I'm not
You
lying.
knew what I meant. But you said, you know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna take your myself. I'm gonna lie to this guy. That's fucked up. It is. I always believe that the justice system is good people and that the cops play fair. But y'all don't.
145 on 2.
Is it because I'm white?
Good.
Is that why you lied? Because I'm white?
QNF Logan Younger, unsure of the last name spelling. He's gonna be 19 years old.
My name may not be Logan Younger. Who knows? I might have lied too. You know what's funny?
What's that?
I'm really smart.
You are?
My dad was a vet. Did you know that?
I didn't.
He taught me shit when I was little, and they put me in shit because if I my game.
One time I've had Y-O-U-N-C-E-R and Y-U-N-C-E-R instead of I'm not sure anything.
Simple. Logan, where you from, man?
I'm not from anywhere.
Not.
You lied to me. You're a bad guy.
Not a bad guy.
I believe you. I believe you.
Logan, how do I lie to you, man?
You would play by the rules.
I am playing by the rules.
You know what's funny?
What's that?
I didn't even get to eat.
But
Well, look here, Logan.
I'll get it.
4,120 cash.
You want to play fair? Fine. Don't play fair. Wow. Got any family? Yeah.
145 on 3.
17 or 19?
19.
Therefore, don't forget about your minor in possession.
10-4.
I'll take my tax. You lied. You betrayed me. You know what's funny?
Okay.
About trust you. Huh?
Hey, Sarge. Here with a guy, 25. Can't figure out who he is. How do I go about doing that? Doesn't have any idea on him. Won't tell me his last name or his date of birth. And nothing like that, so.
You gonna shoot me? Is that it? You gonna shoot me? Like y'all been
Yeah.
doing? My constitutional
And minor in possession.
right
He's only 19.
that as long as I ain't hurting anyone, you can't do anything.
Okay, that's cool.
I get that. You don't want to play by the rules?
Alright.
Fine. I won't play by the rules. I was trying to be a decent man. I was trying to play by your rules.
Hey, Logan?
And I promised you, I would tell you who I was as long as you let me ride home. And not somewhere else. You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
Watch. See what I'm gonna do.
You are?
I'm gonna show you how stupid you look trying to fuck with an autistic kid. That's fucked up.
Well, hey, Logan.
I trusted you.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. Tell you this right now. You don't tell me who you are. You're just gonna sit out in jail till you decide who you are. All right?
I know who I am.
Okay. Well,
You don't know who you are.
I know exactly who I am.
Abusing your fucking line of authority. And that's fucked up.
Hey, Logan.
Joseph would hate you for that.
Will you tell me how I use my rights?
I might be white, but Joseph is black. And he's always got cops like you. Arresting autistic drunk kid. Alright. Arresting autistic drunk kid.
I was going to advise you that time you heard I sent all the other pictures to your email.
Good one.
Good work.
That's your choice. Fucking kill me. You kill me, or don't. I wish you should. If you don't kill me, though, things are gonna end badly for you. Corrupt. Fucking
What's up?
watch this. You're gonna love what I got.
Oh, yeah, they got me, though. Thanks, man.
I might be a little small on my size, but I know things. You ever hear of Stephen Hall? That's his dad. Except he went crazy because he's seen all his friends die, so he taught me things.
Logan Conrad Younger.
I know things that you don't.
I know who you are now, so.
You might know who I am. You know on paper, love. That's the part that's fucking watch. You know what's really funny though? Our guy trusts you. And you lie. Trust you. And you lie to me. Why do you lie to me?
know. You tell me.
Right.
You can try it.
What's the Eeks? Let's go to Cody Eeks. 1119, there's 92, 1992.
That was just that. You don't think I know how to stop you?
145 dispatch.
Look at this. Broke free.
Well, you advise county that my subject is out. His cuss in the back.
Here a second.